Hey guys, welcome to Barbecue Land. Today we're cooking something sweet on the Kamado Joe Classic 3 using the SloRoller attachment. What are we cooking?
So Jack, you told me in parts 1 and 2, which are available below, that you could literally cook anything on the Kamado Joe. So today we're going to cook a Brookie, which is half brownie, half cookie. Brookie, awesome. So there's loads of smoke going on today. What is it that you've switched on down here? Will you explain?
So we've got our SloRoller attachment on top of our kick-ass basket, and basically the SloRoller is a hyperbolic smoking chamber that creates more smoke within the dome. I mean, if you can see this, we've got loads of smoke going on, and we've added a handful of pecan pellets to give it some extra nutty, smoky flavour to our brownie.
So this is going to be a pretty awesome sweet dessert.
Oh yes.
Okay. So what we've done is we've filled up the charcoal basket, which you made me do, make sure that I was learning.
Yeah.
We had both of the vents open to get the up to temperature of 180 degrees, and now we've shut everything down.
We have indeed, yeah.
Excellent. So should we get to making this brookie?
Let's do it.
Okay, Jack, so it's normally me that does the baking, so today I'm going to get you making this brownie, because let's be fair, you've made some epic fails with your baking skills.
I don't bake very well.
You're not a great baker.
No Paul Hollywood. Okay,
so we're going to start with, if you put 100 grams of melted butter into our mixing bowl, and we're going to add 65 grams of white sugar here.
Right.
And 120 grams of brown sugar. Right, and give that a mix. Give it a quick whisk. That looks good. Okay, now we're going to add a beaten egg. And a teaspoon of vanilla there. So normal people probably measure that out, but we just like to add to the plug. That's it, lovely. Give that a quick mix. And now we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda.
We put this in the same...
Put it all in, yeah, whack it all in.
Right.
Give it another little mix round. And now we're going to add 175 grams of plain flour.
All in?
All in. You happy that's all mixed in?
Yeah.
Okay, and so finally we're going to add 150 grams of dark chocolate.
Okay.
So you could use dark chocolate chips if you wanted to, but because we like ours a bit rough and ready, we're just going to roughly chop up some dark chocolate.
Right.
And you're going to fold that in, so rather than mix, you're just going to fold it in.
Okay.
Excellent, so just fold that into your cookie batter. That's a lot of chocolate.
Yeah. This is my kind of recipe.
I'm surprised you didn't get stuck in there.
Nah, being good.
Excellent, fold it in. Nice and gentle like. Oh, that does look good. Okay, so now we're on to making the brownie. As you can see now, I've got the baby. I really am, really am hands-free now.
This is lockdown cooking at its finest.
So, okay, what we're going to start off with is 65 grams of dark chocolate again. If you can chop that up and put that into your new mixing bowl.
Just rough chop.
And then we've got 85 grams of hot melted butter there. That's it. Just add that in, then give it a mix up.
Oh, look at that, it's melted chocolate straight away.
That's exactly what it's supposed to do.
Right.
Lovely. Right, so now we're going to add 150 grams of white sugar.
Right.
Give that a mix.
So what is this we're making now?
This is the brownie.
The brownie, right.
Yeah. Now we're going to add a beaten egg.
One beaten egg.
And a teaspoon of vanilla. It's in your cast iron pan, holding that bit of paper down.
Yeah. Blows away, I'll chase after it. Drop of vanilla.
Okay, now mix it in. To get that egg really incorporated.
Right.
Now add 40 grams of the plain flour.
Right. 40 grams.
And then we're going to add in 25 grams of cocoa powder. Only the best for you, Jack. There's green and blacks there.
Ooh, poshest. Right.
Okay, so grease up your cast iron pan there.
Right.
We're going to start assembling this brookie.
Okay. So you can get anything you've seen in the video from your local supermarket, and we sell the Lodge cast iron pans and the Kamado Joes at Barbecue Land. Right, so cookie dough in the centre.
Right, so now we're going to assemble our brookie.
Right.
So we're going to put cookie dough in the centre of the cast iron pan. Try and get it nice and even, but what we're going to do is leave about a couple of centimetres around the edge, so you've got brownie around the edge and on the top of your brookie.
Okay.
So when you cut into it, so what it should look like is a brownie. So there's the chocolate chip cookie dough in the middle is a bit of the secret.
Right.
So look at that.
Should get a spatula to get this last little bit out. Right.
Right, and then our Kamado is nicely at 180 still.
Rock steady, he's not moved.
Excellent. So let's get this bad boy on.
Still got that smoke.
You want to cook this for around 25 minutes or until you can place a toothpick into your cooking batter and nothing sticks to it when you pull it out. So in true British summertime, yesterday it started raining, so we had to finish the video the next day, and I couldn't resist, so I had a slice of this last night, and damn, it's good. Picks up loads of smoke from that slow roller, and let me show you what your finished product should look like. So you've got a nice cookie batter base with a layer of brownie on top. Amazing.
So guys, thanks for joining us today at Barbecue Land. That was how to make a brookie on the Kamado Joe Classic 3 using a Lodge cast iron pan. Anything you've seen in the video today you can buy from Barbecue Land. I will put the link in the description below, so please check out our website www.barbecueland.co.uk. Big thank you to Hayley and Baby Ivy for helping me cook this brownie, and we'll see you all again next week for some more cooking action and to show you how to get the best out of your grill. So like, subscribe, follow, and we'll see you all next week for some more cooking action.